Lasun is leader in lighting and electrical test instruments. Hello everyone, let me introduce to you the CZKS series plug socket switch life tester and the DFX series load cabinet. The life tester is used together with the load cabinet, which is suitable for braking capacity and normal operation life test of plugs and sockets for household and similar purposes. It is also suitable for switching capacity, normal operation, and durability life test of switches for household and similar fixed electrical devices. The purpose is to test whether the plugs, sockets and switches can withstand mechanical damage and electrical fatigue damage in normal use, whether there is contact adhesion or long-term closure or disconnection, and whether there is excessive wear and other harmful consequences. It is special equipment for electrical durability test of plugs, sockets and switches. It fully meets the requirements of GB and IEC relevant standards. The number of stations and fixture styles of the life tester, as well as the load cabinet, can be customized according to customer requirements. Thank you for watching.